Attention all altcoin holders. Altcoins could be about to explode. Why? They're in this formation that we have never seen altcoins get into. I want to tell you how powerful this formation is, what this formation is, and then inside of this video, I want to tell you what it means for altcoins. How high could they be about to explode? And more importantly, when? Let's get into it. Welcome. I'm Steve. Here we deliver honest, sponsorship-free TA with genuine value. Subscribe for a no BS approach that actually helps you. Subscribe. We're on total market cap excluding Bitcoin. What you see on the chart right here is all altcoins on planet Earth represented in one chart. And what we have on our hands is a formation right here. This is called an ascending triangle. An ascending triangle typically has a level of resistance with multiple touch points, meaning we have a touch point from May 2021. It was resistance here at about 1.57 trillion. Then we had that resistance again in October 21. Then we had that resistance again in December 2024, and that's where we're at right now. We've had multiple touch points of resistance at the same level over a multiple year trend. But that's not all. The ascending triangle needs to see resistance at that area and then make a low. And when it makes a low, it needs to come battling all the way back up to that resistance zone. And then it needs to get resistance from there, rejected from there once again. But this time, it doesn't go as low as the first time. It doesn't go lower than the first time. It goes higher than the first time. In other words, it creates a higher low while still getting resistance from the exact same level. This is called an ascending triangle. Now, the high majority of the time, these break to the upside. That doesn't mean every time. It literally means the majority of the time, right? It's something about 70% of the time you will see these break to the upside. No hype, just facts. Subscribe and relax. You can find ascending triangles on any time frame, on the 1 minute chart, on the 10-minute chart, on the hour chart, on the week chart, the month chart, whatever chart you find, you can find ascending triangles. Now, when you find them over a multi-year period with multiple touch points on the top, with at least 2 higher lows on the bottom, you have yourself a potential, what we call, it's a continuation pattern. Meaning altcoins back in the day got up to this level. And guess what? They haven't gotten above there. This was an area of resistance. But before then, we had this explosive move with altcoins. We are trying to have some sort of a trend continue, meaning that we had this explosion back in the day. Then, since then, we've been basically recovering, waiting for that next explosion, waiting for that continuation. In other words, we saw this huge move here, and since then, we have been accumulating. This has basically been an accumulation zone. For better or worse, this is an accumulation zone, right? And we're looking for, after that accumulation zone, to have a continuation. A continuation of what? A continuation of what happened before the accumulation. In other words, this. So there's a way to measure these moves, right? So now we understand, okay, ascending triangles, these are cool. Multiple touch points of resistance at the top, at least 2 higher lows form. In our opinion, we had 1, 2, and 3 higher lows form. This was a higher low than the prior, and this was higher than the prior and the prior. Now, what you want to see and you want to wait for is a breakout. Now, what that means is you want to see a breakout candle. The breakout candle is going to be the candle that closes with like half of its body above and below, right? That'll be called the breakout candle, where, you know, its head could get really high, whatever the case may be, it breaks above this level with the body, right? Not some wick like we've seen before. We're not interested in those. If we have a wick break above, it simply means we've got momentum back to the downside because a wick is showing levels of profit taking, plain and simple, right? So you want to see a body close anywhere above 1.57 trillion. Now, right now we're on the 2-week chart, right? So on the 2-week time horizon, you want to see a candle close above. That will be identified as our breakout candle. What you want to see next is our confirmation candle. Now that candle has different rules, and the rules are this: the whole body needs to be above 1.57 trillion. We can't have any part of the body below. If it does, it's our confirmation candle. Confirmation of what? Confirmation of this breakout. Confirmation that our accumulation zone is done and we are going to start a breakout. Now, the question leads to this: how high can we go and how do we measure it? Well, if you're on a non-log scale chart, right? I'm on a log scale chart. I'm about to show you how to do it on a log scale chart. I'll give you a little tip. If you're not on a log scale chart, you just go over to your tool. You got a drawing tool there. You're going to click on the top bad boy and you're going to drag it to the bottom. In other words, you're going to tip on where the resistance zone was, 1.57. You're going to drag a straight line down to the lowest low. And you're going to click again. And you're simply going to pick that up and you're going to drag it over to the confirmation breakout, and you're going to go from 1.57 trillion up. That's if you're not on a log scale. While everyone waited to buy Bitcoin under 10K, which never happened, I told you to buy at 15K, which ended up being the bottom. And I called for Coinbase to go from 50 to 500. But none of that matters if you don't know how to exit like a pro. Soon, I'm going to be releasing my personal exit strategy. Be ready. If you're on a log scale, you're simply going to do percentage, meaning you're going to go up to this top level, 1.57. You're going to go directly down to the lowest low, but instead of drawing a line, you're going to do a percentage. So the percentage is here. We can see that we dropped about 68%. Now on a log scale, we know that the difference here, the biggest difference from the top to the lowest low was 68%, meaning what we're looking for is a 68% upside from this 1.57 as support. So let's see what that brings the altcoin market to, because you're an altcoin fan, you hold altcoins, you're thinking about buying altcoins now, you want to sit at home and you want to know when is this thing going to burst, because you've been waiting years. You saw altcoins reach these levels years ago, back in May of 2021, and you've been at the edge of your seat just waiting for your favorite altcoin to explode. And for years and years and years, you've been wondering, is today the day? Is tomorrow the day? When is the day? You're going to be able to follow this chart right here. You're going to know exactly when the day is, because it's going to be the day that we finally, for the first time ever in altcoin history, hold 1.57 trillion as support with the body of a candle. And once we do that, we're going to know that we can go up to this level. Again, we took the percentage from this top resistance zone straight to the bottom. We got 68%. We're about to go to 1.57 trillion and go up 68%. And that should be our continuation when we look at how high things can go. No hype, just facts. Subscribe and relax. So as we go up here right now, we're at 16, 17, 18%. We're already up at about 1.87 trillion. We're going to be aiming higher. Again, now we're at 32%. It's up here at about $2 trillion. So we should be seeing, if we break out of this zone, a move of altcoins for the first time ever above 2 trillion market cap. But we're not done. We said it would be 68%. Now, these are rough measurements. Once again, we'll take everything into consideration, but this is a accumulation pattern. This is an ascending triangle. These typically break to the upside, and we want to know, how good can it get? Right now, we're at 45%. We're climbing. We're at 2.24 trillion. Right now, we're up at about 60%. It brings us to about 2.45 trillion, but we're still not done. We need to go to about 68%, and that brings us to roughly $2.6 trillion market cap, which would be an explosive move from here, and it would dramatically affect all altcoins, especially the ones you hold. Trade like a tourist or go with the pros. The FFA is where the real ones go. Link in description.